So, setting up your Word document, make sure you save it with something sensible. Then we're going to insert pages and a cover page, so that's basically your front page, just to make it look a little bit smarter. It's up to you what you choose. There is really no issue with that. So, first off, put the year in, so we'll be completing in 2018. And then when we scroll down, we've got the document title, then we can put in our name, and we can also put in the A2 use of maths. So from there, we're going to put in our table of contents on the second page. So for this, it's going to come under references and table of contents, and we want one of the first two. It's going to give us this error message on the basis that we don't actually have any words in our document yet. So after that, we are then going to insert, and we'll insert a page break so that we're starting writing at the top of the next page. So if we double click at the top of the next page, we get this header, and in here we're going to put A2 use of maths, and then tab across to the other side and put your name in. We are also going to want page numbers, so if we go into page number at the bottom of the page and in the middle. So that way these will line up with the things in our table of contents. So starting to build our document, we're going to start with an introduction, and then we'll go into a linear model, and then after that we'll go into our quadratic model. So if we start off and highlight all of those and make those heading 1, and then we go up in the middle to a multi-level list and choose one that tells us about subheadings as well. In our linear model, we're not just going to want one thing, we're going to actually end up with 3 lines in the end, but what we can do is with our first line, if you make that heading 2, what you'll find is it actually numbers it, so it's part of chapter 2. Once we've got to this point, if you look at your table of contents and click on that and then go update table, it'll then tell you what you've got and where it is. You can go directly to places like the introduction by pressing Control and clicking on it. The other option is to do it as view and then a navigation pane, and then you've got that information down the side.